Well, it is the eve of closing arguments for the Stephen Brown murder trial. Brown is accused of murdering a North Shore woman with his then-girlfriend, who Brown claims was actually the person who committed the crime.
Yeah, that's what the defendant said yesterday when he took the witness stand in his own defense. As KITV4's Ali Dukla reports, experts say it's an unusual move, as most defendants usually stay silent.
Legal experts say there are pros and cons for defendants if they decide to take the stand.
When the defendant makes a choice to testify, they get a chance to tell their side of the story.
A choice I'm told more often than not, defendants decide not to take. That's because the burden of proof lies on the prosecution.
So if there's any holes or anything that hasn't been completely tied up, what the defense can do is they can blame the prosecution and say, hey, they didn't explain that for you, and so therefore you need to acquit my client because they didn't give you everything that you needed.
Former Judge Randall Lee adds, generally, if the evidence is insufficient to prove a defendant's guilt, an attorney won't make the client take the stand. However, Lee says the decision to do so could help.
I think the jurors would want to hear it from your client's mouth. And therefore, a lot of times people put their client on the stand.
Defendant Stephen Brown claims his then-girlfriend, Haley Dandurand, was solely responsible for murdering North Shore resident Thelma Boinville in 2017. However, Lee points out Brown was at the scene of the murder before and while it happened, and was found with Dandurand after it happened.
And from your own words, based on the testimony of the daughter, I believe he said, we killed your mother. He didn't say she killed your mother.
Brown claims that's not what he said. The trial is set to resume Thursday here at Circuit Court. Ali Dukla, KITV4 Island News.